Today you will learn about quantifiers, and first let me explain what they are. A quantifier is a word or a phrase that we put before a noun to show the amount or the quantity of the object. For example, all, more, most, no. And today I would like to talk about quantifiers that can be used with either countable or uncountable nouns. All, most, some, any, no, none, a lot of, more, less. All of her children are well behaved. I think all adults are boring. He drank all the milk. Most people have problems. Sheila took most of my money. Did you eat all of the bread? Yeah, most of it. Some dogs are friendly and some aren't. Some of your problems are really complicated. Would you like some coffee? I don't like any of your cousins. Please tell me what you think. Any volunteers? We haven't got any milk. I thought I heard barking, but there is no dog here. Did you see the sign? No children allowed. No pasta for me, just vegetables. None of your sisters is nice. It's none of your business. Which do you prefer, red or yellow? None. Joe bought a lot of milk. A lot of teenagers are unhappy. I own a lot of books. We have more milk than water. I have more time for myself now. Bring me more bananas, please. I need to drink less Coke. They have less children than I thought. Last week we earned less money. Okay, let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!